Hi there, welcome back to Orbital Adventures, where we turn science into stories you'll want to share. Today, we're diving into a topic surrounded by questions and myths, vaccines. Let's bust some myths together. Respectfully, of course. Myth 1. Vaccines aren't safe. Let's be real. Anything involving needles feels a bit scary. But here's the truth. Vaccines are like Olympic athletes. They go through years of rigorous training or testing before they're approved. Even after they hit the field, scientists keep watching to make sure they perform safely. Serious side effects? Super rare. Rarer than being struck by lightning. Myth 2. Vaccines cause the disease they're supposed to prevent. Imagine if fire drills cause fires. That wouldn't make sense, right? Vaccines are like those drills. They prep your body to handle the real thing. The fever or sore arm some people feel? That's just your immune system flexing its muscles, not you getting sick. Myth 3. Vaccines are part of a dark conspiracy. Here's a plot twist. Vaccines have one goal: keeping you safe. Smallpox once killed millions, but thanks to vaccines, it's completely gone. If vaccines had a dark side, wouldn't we see the opposite happening? Why trust vaccines? It's simple. They've proven themselves. Polio, measles, and other deadly diseases? Barely a threat in vaccinated communities. But when vaccination rates drop, those diseases make a comeback. The evidence isn't just in books, it's in history. At Orbital Adventures, we get it. It's good to ask questions. But let's make sure our answers are backed by facts, not fear. Vaccines are far from perfect, but they've saved more lives than almost anything else in medicine. Let's keep the conversation going in the comments. Your questions matter, and together we can explore the science behind them. Stay curious, stay kind, and see you next time.